Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of my weekend hair reset. I am getting ready to do my very first roller set on my relaxed hair, so I'm excited about that. My leave-in that I have today is a DIY one that is just aloe vera juice and rose water that I am spraying over in my entire hair. Now I am going to go ahead and layer that with my It's a 10. You've seen me use this in multiple videos. I love this stuff, so I'm just going to layer a little bit onto my hair as well, as it has so many great benefits. Alright, so next up I'm just going to separate my hair into some sections so that I can go ahead and detangle it as it is freshly washed. I am going to go ahead and detangle the back first, and then we'll get to styling and parting our hair for this roller set. Alright, so for my roller sizes, I'm using the 1 inch and the 1.5 inch rollers. I also am going to use my slide-on clips to help hold the rollers in place, and then I'm also using some foam, lotion, and water mixture. So after researching a few YouTube videos, I did find out that it's always best to really detangle your sections so that you can get them on as smoothly as possible onto your roller. You'll see me kind of really going into my roots a lot to make sure that I have that new growth smoothed out, as well as my ends. And I'm going to go through each piece of hair, at least 2 times just to make sure that it's completely detangled. Once I get my roller together, I'm going to smooth the ends of my hair onto that roller so that they lay flat and straight. And then as I roll it up, I am going to pull it as tight as possible so that we can get just a really flat roller set when it comes to, you know, putting that roller onto that piece of hair section. All right, so I have my first roller done, y'all. I'm quite excited about it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it clipped in really good. Sit back, enjoy the rest of this roller set, and give me your thoughts and opinions on how you think I did. All right, so I sat under the dryer for about 40 minutes. I couldn't take it anymore, but 40 minutes was enough. As you can see, my hair is completely dry and my curls came out amazing. It has so much bounce and shine. I'm very proud of this roller set, as I hadn't done a roller set in over 10-15 years. So I'm very excited. I'm happy with the results on how this came out. As I mentioned, it is very shiny. The bounce is there. So take a look at this bounce that I have as I take down these rollers, and let's see what that final result looks like. I'm gonna wrap my hair with Saran wrap and set it under the dryer a little bit longer just to smooth this out and get a good wrap. So stay tuned for the final result and let's see how it came out. Drop a comment below if you have any tips or tricks on how to actually put the saran wrap on yourself. Should I be doing it out of the box? Should I pull the saran wrap and cut it first? Y'all, I struggled so much with this saran wrap. So if you can kind of share some tips with me on how I can do this better next time, please drop a comment below. So my wrap came out perfect. It has so much bounce. I had to go and get out of this hot sweatshirt and put on something else, but this came out so good. I did have a little bit of flaking, not much that, you know, is going to mess up the style or that someone would be able to see, but it came out great. I love it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.